Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to show you an interesting opportunity that is available from Australian government using which Indians can get up to 300 visas every year using a ballot. So it's called Mobility Arrangement for Talented Early Professionals Scheme, which is known as MATES, which is subclass 403. So MATES is a temporary mobility pathway for Indian graduates and early career professionals with knowledge and skills in targeted fields of study to live in and work in Australia for up to 2 years. So you can apply it from India also. So eligible fields of study include renewable energy, mining, engineering, information, communication technology, AI, financial technology, and agriculture technology. So more information about this is available in this link here. So for this, you must first register in the pre-application ballot. So those selected in the ballot will then be invited to apply for the visa. So you won't be able to apply for the visa without an invitation. So the first ballot for the visa stream opens for registration from 9th December. So more information about it can be found here. So this is the pre-application ballot. So I'll show you how it works. So the MATES pre-application ballot aims to give Indian nationals equal access to MATES. So the ballot provides a fair and transparent process by randomly selecting people to apply for the visa. Through the ballot, Australian government will allocate 3,000 temporary visa places for primary applicants per program. So primary applicants may bring of the family unit. They will not be counted towards that 3,000. So they can bring also the family members. To be able to apply for this stream, you must first register in MATES ballot. If you're randomly selected in the MATES ballot, you can then apply for the visa. So there is a ballot registration fee of Australian dollars 25. So it has already opened on 9th December 2024 and it closes on 7th January 2025. So I'll show you what is the ballot eligibility. So there are some eligibility criteria. So you'll have to create an Immigrate account here, which you can easily do that. You should hold an Indian passport. You should hold a valid permanent account PAN card issued by the Indian government. The main important criteria here is you should be aged between 18 to 30 years inclusive at the beginning of the ballot registration open period for that process. So you should not already be registered in MATES ballot, have a valid email address, you should agree to registration form declarations, and you should also pay the ballot registration fee. So if you are selected in the ballot, you will be required to meet additional criteria for the grant of subclass 403 MATES stream visa, which you can find it here. You can be inside or outside Australia to register in the ballot. So if selected, you can only apply for a subclass 403 MATES stream visa from outside Australia. So this is the ballot registration period. So include family. So eligible members of the family unit, such as a spouse or partner, can also register in the ballot separately. We don't need to give details of your eligible family members in your ballot registration. So if you're selected in the ballot to apply for a subclass 403 MATES stream visa, you will be the main applicant in the visa application. As the main applicant, you can include members of the family unit in application as mentioned earlier. So how to register? So you can just come to this portal. You can just click on before you register, you should know this, which is already covered. You can come here and click on visa pre-application registration, mobility arrangement MATES program. Then you can fill in the following details: your name, date of birth, valid passport details, PAN number, email address, the eligible qualification, field of study. Then after you register, you will be entered into the ballot. So this is after your registration. So you can monitor your status of registration here using this account. So these are the different status it will show. So ballot selection process is based on, it's like lottery. So if you are successful in the ballot, if you are randomly selected in the ballot, they'll send you a notification of selection letter. So you will have 30 calendar days from the date of selection to complete and submit a visa application online. So if you are unsuccessful in the ballot, you'll not get the visa feedback, the ballot feedback. So this is how it works. So this is a great opportunity for people in India to get a 2-year visa in Australia. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.